Tunisian Sports and Youth Minister Kamal Dagish on Wednesday paid a field visit to the China-aided Belarus Sports and Cultural Center for Youth in northeastern Tunisia. The minister expressed his hope that this well-equipped center could train more outstanding Tunisian athletes. During the inspection, Dagish talked with football and basketball players who were training in the center. Some coaches and athletes who joined the event said that the center built with China's aid has many cultural and sports facilities, which could play an important role in promoting local education and cultural undertakings. Belarus Youth Sports Center covers an area of 22,000 square meters, including swimming pools, fitness centers, football field, tennis courts, and other facilities. The center was delivered to Tunisian authorities in September last year, and some facilities have been put into experimental use.